Alright, got the F-15 Eagle on deck. Really wet runway. Have you flown your Rebel very much, Jim?
No, just that first day out here, I think. Whoa.
Yeah, it's got real small tires and it don't turn too sharp.
Wow, you can see that spray coming out of the back?
Yeah.
No, I'm serious.
It's wet out there.
Settle down.
Am I making you nervous, Jimmy?
No, not at all. Whoa, careful, guys. Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna go through the arches at McDonald's there. I actually lost sight of it there on the horizon. Got below them tree lines and
yeah. I didn't think you wanted to do that though, really.
No, it wasn't intentional. Of course, I could fib and say, "Oh yeah, it was planned."
Do it again then, okay?
Okay.
No. I thought you were in the tent. I really did.
I didn't think I was going to hit the tent, but I thought I might skid off the roof. Get that CJ up and let me shoot it down. Let's see, got about a minute left. Maybe a little less, been pushing it hard. That's the move you taught me.
Did I?
Yeah.
Does that got one engine or two?
Oh no, it's just got 164 millimeter. It scoots pretty good though for a little four-sail. Especially it's got all of the weapons on it, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess I'll come around and set up for a hopper in. There's our meter going off. Man, our runway is so rough.
Yeah, I was thinking you really liked that jet.
Yeah, it flies really good. I still say though that if you're looking for a jet, the Rebel is definitely a better buy. This one is about 159, I think.
Oh, really?
149, 159, I can't remember. And the Rebel is 189, I think.
Yeah.
But the Rebel has flaps and retracts.
No, I want to say it's gone down to 139 on that Rebel.
Really?
They must be getting ready to get rid of it.
Well, if it's 139, I'll buy